fits in mine, like it was made for me. But bear this in mind, it was meant to be. And I'm joining up the dots with the freckles on your cheeks, and it all makes sense to me. I know you never loved the crinkles by your eyes when I smile. I've never loved my stomach or my thighs, dimples in my back at the bottom of my spine, but you love them endlessly. Now I won't let these little things slip out of my mouth, but if I do, it's you, oh it's you, they add up to I'm in love with you. And all these little things, you can't go to bed without a cup of tea, and maybe that's the reason that you talk in your sleep.
Hey guys, do you have a message for the bride and groom?
Congratulations! Wish you guys all the best. You guys are amazing. Thanks for being back.
Yeah, thanks for looking after me when I had alcohol poisoning steady. You're a legend.
You're so impatient, you never want to wait. You always tap your foot while I squeeze into my jeans.
Is there anything you guys would like to say to the bride and groom?
What a bunch of bloody legends.
Yeah, thanks for the party.
Yeah.
We're having a good time. It's been a good day, and
Love you both.
much love, you guys.
Best couple ever.
But if it's true, it's you.
Does anyone have any final messages to give to the newlyweds?
Just enjoy each other's company and always forgive each other.
Yeah? Have a great, what's this called?
Marriage.
Marriage, good.
You'll never love yourself half as much as I love you. And you'll never treat yourself right, darling, but I want you to. If I let you know, right, I'm here for you. And maybe you'll love yourself like I love you.
Good luck, have fun, and don't go to bed angry.